I am tired of talking about the hard things, of things that bring white mobs in my mentions or cultivate an open market of mics in my messages. Some days I wish I wasn't given this gift of making people feel what they wish to forget or reminding certain people that their world is one of many. Sometimes I wish I could talk of pleasantry, of the fairy tale folks would like us all to live in, but for some of us, life ain't full of blue skies and dandelions, of peace lilies and pretty petunias. How many of us have been planted in a faux garden, a falsified version of a budding democracy, and you tell us to be grateful, like politicians ain't polluting our people, over policing our communities and calling that a pesticide. For a lot of us, flowers only show up at grave sites and candlelight vigils, beside hospital beds and under Facebook posts. I promise I am not trying to be a thorn. But when you actually reach down to smell the roses, you'll realize that everything ain't what it seems from your privileged point of view, that systems of inequality stem from structures of injustice. So because of this, I must talk on the hard things. And I can't apologize for sowing seeds of resistance when all we've ever wanted was to reap the benefits of the labor we've sown.